Hello everybody, today we make a chicken marsala. I got over here the breasted chicken, I pined already, and I pour salt and black pepper. I slice over here the baby bella mushroom I want to use. I got over here some flour, I pour salt and black pepper. I got chicken broth, I got marsala, I got use butter, and I got over here garlic I chop already. I got shallot, parsley, and I got thyme. Okay, now we start with the mushroom. First, we pour oil. Look at the beautiful oil I got over here. I leave it warm up a little bit of the oil. We put the shallot and the garlic. And we leave it cook a little bit the shallot and the garlic. Okay, now we got the baby bella mushroom and we put it right over here inside. And we give a nice turn on this. A little salt. And I got black pepper. Give a little turn. Now this, you don't gotta cook too much. The only thing I saute a little bit, cause after this, you gotta go together with the chicken. Okay, now this is done. After we put it together, and I put it right over here on the side, turn the gas off, and leave over here. And now we start with the chicken. Now for the chicken, I put a little olive oil, olio di oliva, and I put a piece of garlic. The garlic you gotta start jump a little bit. And I like to pour a little piece of butter. Now we start with the chicken. But I want to turn the flour, I put salt and black pepper. We turn a little bit. And this is the chicken. Look at beautiful chicken. Make sure the flour is really good. And we put right over here in this part. And I got more. Now we leave it cook this a couple of minutes, both sides. Okay, we gotta make a nice, beautiful color. Okay, now we flip the other way, cause the color of the chicken is really good. And we do the same thing on the other side. All right. Now we leave it stay a couple of more minutes on the other side. You have to be ready for the marsala. Okay, now before you put the marsala, make sure to low down the gas. Cause this is no restaurant with a big fan and everything. This is a house. And I don't want to be the house in fire. This is the marsala now. Okay. Now we leave it cook with the marsala a little more. Okay, get evaporated the marsala. After we got over here the chicken broth. With the marsala, it gives a really good flavor. Okay, now it's time of the chicken stock. we leave it boil a little bit, and we gotta put the mushroom together. Oh, look how beautiful, look, nice. This is start to boil too, and this is the mushroom. Now we gotta lower the flame, okay, you gotta boil really low, slow. And the chicken, you gotta come out really nice tender, nice juicy. Okay, now I like to put a little parsley to give a nice color. And I got over here the thyme. And we give a nice, like this, turn, to put all over the place. Now, it's a little liquid, and what I do, I got a little extra chicken broth over here. I put a little flour right over here like this. And you gotta make sure the scramble really good. You do the way I do like this. Okay, no come crumble inside when you pour it. This you gotta make the gravy more thick. Now we cook this really low for 10 minutes. Okay, now the chicken is ready. We're done, and now we bring right over here on the table. I want to taste my chicken marsala. And now I want to take one piece, and I want to taste. And look how beautiful it look. And look at the gravy, nice gravy. And we put a little green parsley on the top. Look how nice tender this chicken, a little mushroom. The chicken, it melts in your mouth. Not in your mouth, it melts in my mouth. I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin, David Barry. I hope somebody make this and you send to me some picture or something I want to look. I want to say thank you very much. Salute e chin chin. Thank you.